Hey, this is Sebastian from SocialAnxietySolutions.com and welcome to another installment of Testimonials Tuesday. Now, these testimonials are to inspire you to hop on the journey to social confidence. Now, to hop on a journey or accelerate your progress, I've got something really exciting coming up on the 1st of January 2021. It's the next free 30-day social confidence challenge. I ran two of these almost back to back at the start of lockdown of COVID. And it was such a success that I'm doing them again. But I'm only doing one a year because there's a lot of work involved in it. So this is the one and only time that I'm going to do it. And I'm going to read a comment to you that was made under day 20 of the 30-day challenge. I asked people, hey, can you go back? Because you've now made all of this progress. You now know that it's worth the time. You have gotten insight. What would you say to people that are still on day one? Go back to day one and post it. That's your challenge of the day. And here's what Selina wrote. Hi friend, if you're reading this on day one and are feeling really hesitant to continue, let me just give you some insight. I'm day 20 now and I feel really refreshed and more at peace with my social anxiety. This challenge is such an amazing way to understand yourself and your social anxiety. It offers a really unique perspective that you have likely not experienced. I know it's hard to take those first steps. Trust me, I've been there. Most of the people have, but you can do it. Even if this doesn't completely cure your social anxiety, it will be an amazing step into your journey of self-help. There are very likely a lot of people doing this challenge or at the start of this challenge that are feeling the same way as you are and that are experiencing similar, if not the exact same things that you do on a regular basis. You're not alone. Commit to this, you won't regret it. All right, so thanks Selina, in case you're watching this or listening to this, for your contribution and inspiring people to get started. One part of the social confidence challenge is also that the format is as follows. You receive a short, sweet email every day along with a video. That video is usually a tap along where I guide you through some EFT or I share a particular concept, and then there's a little exercise. And these exercises are very simple, easy to do. So every day you spend maybe like 10, 15, 20 minutes and you make some progress, and that progress starts to add up. You're building momentum over time. And part of the challenge is as well, people are writing comments underneath these videos. Oh my God, this changed me so much. Wow, it's such a profound insight. Oh my God, I felt the emotion shifting, etc. I think the first video of the challenge has 985 comments. So there's a whole community of people going through it, and that was the last time. Now there are going to be a lot more people going through it. So you'll be supported along the way, and it's anonymous. Okay, you don't have to write things down. You can if you want to. People feel inspired because finally something is shifting, something is working, so they feel inspired to write something. Also often because they see other people write and they're like, wow, they can relate to me, I can relate to them, I'm gonna write something too. You don't have to, like I said, you can join this challenge and be completely anonymous, but there's an option and there's support, and you're gonna feel in a place where you're definitely not alone, okay? And you're going to make progress when you participate in this free 30-day social confidence challenge. So to sign up and register, go to bit.ly/social confidence challenge. That is bit.ly/social confidence challenge. Now, if you're wondering, is there any science behind EFT? Or is it like I heard that it releases negative emotions rapidly and it shifts limiting beliefs? But, does it really work? Or, is there any science behind it? There's lots of science behind it. And I talk about it in this video. Go check it out. And in there, I also help you overcome the idea that nothing works for me. I'm a tough case. There's something wrong with me. I'm broken forever and blah, blah, blah. This video will help you with that. So this is Sebastian from SocialAnxietySolutions.com. Go register at bit.ly/social confidence challenge right now, and I'll connect with you soon. Bye for now.